Okay, we're here at 16250 Malden Street here in North Hills. And I'd let you know that there is a 4-inch clean out located here. If you're coming up the driveway, it's on the left-hand side of the driveway in the flower bed. But it's only a one-way clean out which takes you out to the street. We like to check as much of the main line as possible. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. So what we've done is we've got up on the roof and we've run our camera from the 3-inch end of a line roof vent, which is basically the roof vent for the back-to-back bathrooms. Now this way we can at least check the main line all the way out to the city connection. But obviously we cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have the general inspector run the water everywhere. Right now we have our camera in from the 3-inch roof vent, and we're all the way to the city sewer where we have a root here in the line over here and slightly a little dislocated. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the line coming back, and then we're going to try to jump over this from the clean out outside. So right now we're at the city connection, and we're going to bring the camera back. You can see there are some roots over there, very minor roots. You can see a slightly little shift at the end of the line. Now it's very typical you're going to find little shifts in the clay pipe, especially near the city connection, because these are cement joints and sometimes these things never really line up perfectly. Remember, this inspection is based on my opinion. So coming back from here, the 6-inch clay lateral, this all looks good though. Nice and clean. Comes onto the property, you can see there's some roots right at there at the 4x6 connection. Nothing really serious, nothing that can't be cleaned out. So now we come onto the property, changes to a 4-inch clay pipe, and then it comes to an ABS plastic pipe. So this is all in good condition. This is running through the front yard. Right over there, that's the clean out in the flower bed. Now when you come back a little bit, you'll see there's some roots right over there. Now these roots are just like a couple of inches before the clean out. It's a pity that they never made that a 2-way clean out, because there's no way to really clean these roots out from that clean out. So we definitely want to recommend that clean out be made as a 2-way clean out, and then you might as well just remove this little section of pipe here anyway. Coming back from here though, it's 4-inch clay pipe, and it's actually in pretty good condition. It's nice and clean. This is where it turns and it comes underneath the house into a cast iron pipe. It looks like it's in pretty fair condition. Very minor rust buildup. In my opinion, that looks pretty good. As we come up the roof vent, remember you should never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. So here we are on the roof. I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, so running the camera from the 4-inch clean out here, we were able to get very easily into the city sewer from this clean out. So right now we're actually in the city sewer. Bring the camera back. So there's the city sewer. Let's come back. Here's your connection to the city. So that looks pretty good. So that, in my opinion, that all looks pretty fine. There's no real problems with that at all. We're going to recommend to repair that one spot there where the roots are, and change this clean out to a 2-way clean out, because you could kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And that really should be done. Although those roots weren't really terrible, we'll also recommend that the line be hydrojetted to clean up the 4x6 connection where there's roots over there. You'll probably need some periodic cleaning once in a while. But otherwise, everything looks pretty good. Make sure the general inspector runs the water everywhere. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording for a moment. Okay, so what we've done is we took our little mini camera. We're running it through the washing machine waistline here, because obviously this washing machine pipe should be 2 inch, but it's 1.5 inch with the stand, the stand-up pipe and the clean-out. Technically, they really should be 2 inch. So we wanted to check what the pipe looked like. It goes into the main line over there. You can see the pipe is obviously getting old. There's no doubt. You can see how it's probably wearing away here on the bottom, because that's why there's some standing water there. Very old piping over here for the washing machine. So it's hard to really, really it should be a 2 inch pipe. It's pretty old, the pipe, but probably going to function for how long we don't know. But we just checked that anyway, because we saw the clean out there. We'll go ahead, stop the recording over here.